Hello there, tutor and colleagues. My name is Yuri Rondon. I am 28 years old and I study agronomy. I work at Cormacarena as technical ambiental contractor and have been working there for 3 years. I have felt I am challenging and happy with my work because I have been able to help my community farmers to take advantage of states and for forest conservation. I have developed the ability to work with communities and I also have time to study and be with my family. I have to fulfill many obligations to do a good job, such as I must socialize the projects, I must charities the families, I must share geolocality, the property and the forest, and I must resolve the concerns of the beneficiaries, guide them and provide them with relevant information. Thanks.